Hi, welcome to TechCrunch, a place where we learn and earn technical skills in the most efficient way. Let's make coding fun. TechCrunch practice project text and shapes editor. So in this session, we'll see how we can make an application, a Java application, where we'll see the design, the implementation, and the demonstration, and the practice idea to make a text and shapes editor. So this session is divided into two parts. One, we'll see how we can make a text editor, and another is how we can have an editor which can create shapes. Now, first session, we see the text editor. The text editor contains the file menu. Here we have options like open. This menu item is open. This menu item is used to open a file. It's like a JChoose file chooser object. Save, this menu item is used to save a file. And we have a print option. This one we'll use to print the components of the text area. New will be the option for creating a new blank file. It's a text file or any kind of file. Edit menu, we can cut just like an editor. A notepad type of thing, which is used to cut the selected area and copy it to clipboard. Copy is used to copy the selected area to the clipboard. In a buffer, and the paste to paste the text from the clipboard to the text area. So once it is cut or copy, the option will be based on that and will paste it to the text area from the clipboard. And close will exit from the frame. Now, as we have discussed, like cut method. So implementation of this application is going to be like this. We are going to have cut method for the option cut, which will remove the selected area from the text area and store it in a clipboard. Copy method will copy the selected area from the text area to store it in clipboard. Paste method removes the selected area from the text area and store it in the clipboard. So clipboard basically nothing but a buffer or a kind of a temporary editor where we are going to paste and copy it for temporary based. It's like a random access memory, a kind of a temporary memory. Print method will print the component of the text area. Now, this is all about the editor. Now let's take a look at the shapes editor. The objective of this type of editor is just having shapes and making graphics, a kind of an imagination or 2D graphics shapes with a complete picture. Try to a basic graphics, images. So for now, in just an example, we have created this type of editor and have some limited options like drawing an oval shape, drawing a rectangle shape, drawing a rectangle with the round corners and some colors. Now to practice this, you can have more shapes in it like triangles, square, octagon, pentagon based on it. So all you need to have methods like draw triangles, draw square, draw octagon or draw pentagon, and these method implementation with passing the parameters. Now let's take a look at the demonstration. So this is my Eclipse IDE, and let's take a look at the text editor first. So this is my Java application, and here is the source code, and you can see my app package where we have editor demo. So if you see the piece of code, it's simple, implemented in AWT abstract the window toolkit API, and we have created a JFrame. Inside the JFrame we have kind of option. You can change this option and make it another kind of theme, and we have menu item like new, open, save and print, and similarly for the next option we have cut, copy, paste and edit and close. So when you see the execution, you can see these options visible in the JFrame window. So you see here we have file, edit, new, open, save, print, edit, cut, copy, paste, and close. So this is a regular file and regular notepad kind of thing. Hello world, welcome to Tech Ranch. Let's make coding fun. Now I can it will be just like a regular file, a regular notepad, and if you save, it will save it in your drive. A regular file, regular notepad editor. You see, you can find all the accessible path. Now suppose I made a saving by saying hello.txt file, which I have created editor, my own editor. So this is about the text editor tool or text editor Java application implemented in AWT API. Now let's take a look at the shapes editor. So this is my shape editor application. Now let's take a look at the shapes editor. So this is my application, graphics editor demo, and there are two classes, shapedraw and shapes.java. So shapedraw is the main driver class, and here we are extending the shape class. Now let's take a look at the execution. So you can see here, this is the canvas, kind of a J-frame we have implemented here. Now here we can add, just click any button and it will make your draw a shape, and you can drag and drop anywhere in the canvas. So suppose this is my red oval, or I can change the color, make a blue and blue rectangle. So what I can do, simply make an image out of it and add a rectangle, or change the color and then add another shape. So you see, something like this you can have. You can add more shapes in it. Now you can even have something like this. There are two things what you can add in this. One is resize of the shape and another is overwriting of the shape. So you can see when, like, if I do this, it can resize. It cannot resize, it can overwrite it. So this feature you can add, and so this is how you can make some image or add some graphics. And you see all the colors you can have, magenta color, or oval, magenta oval, and add it in this. So some kind of logo you can have on these type of tools. So this is your shapes editor. In this option you can close it, and this is a demonstration of text editor and shapes editor. Text editor and shape editor. In text we have seen how we can add method to functionality like cut, copy, paste, and new, save, print, exit. And in the shapes editor we have seen draw oval and shapes like rectangle and round rectangle. You can add more shapes like triangle, square as a practice project. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more upcoming interesting practice project ideas. Let's make coding fun. Thank you.